Welcome to Bosch Home Appliances. In this video, we are going to talk about the Bosch Series 2 built-in oven. Bosch ovens, known for delivering outstanding results with every dish. Introducing the Bosch Series 2 oven. The Series 2 oven allows you to bake or roast without compromising on your dish quality, achieving perfect baking and roasting results each time. With the 3D hot air feature, you can bake or roast your food simultaneously on up to 3 shelves. The even heat circulation and distribution will ensure that each shelf is able to cook evenly, giving the same perfect results. You are able to bake or roast more while saving on cooking time. Next, let's take a look at the all-new and improved HotAir Gentle function. This function allows the heat to be evenly distributed throughout the oven. When baking on a single level, you do not need to preheat your oven, saving you time and energy. With the combination of the 3D hot air and low heat, the pizza mode allows you to prepare your favorite frozen food in no time. Pop frozen food such as pizza or meatballs into the oven, and it will be ready within 20 minutes, without any defrosting or preheating of the oven. Everything will be prepared carefully and in no time. The Series 2 oven comes with sleek and practical knobs that are ergonomic and user-friendly. Just with a simple twist, you can easily adjust the heating mode and temperature. The sleek finish also makes cleaning so much easier. Enjoy a seamless and user-friendly experience, allowing you to focus on what matters most. On top of being able to effortlessly clean the knobs, EcoClean Direct offers further convenience when it comes to cleaning your oven. With the back wall coated with microfine ceramic spheres, grease splatters are broken down while you bake or roast. Simply wipe it with a cloth to clean the oven, saving you time and energy. Equipped with the intuitive red LED display control, keep track of the cooking time effortlessly. With the measurement of 60 centimeters by 60 centimeters, the Bosch Series 2 oven is designed as a built-in oven that can be integrated seamlessly into your cabinets. This gives a sleek finish to your kitchen and allows you more cooking capacity without taking up additional estate space in the kitchen. For an added safety feature, the Series 2 oven comes with a childproof lock. Simply touch the key button to activate the childproof lock. This prevents children from accidentally switching on or off the oven, giving you peace of mind while you cook. Whether you're an avid cook or a baking enthusiast, this product is for you as it allows you to cook or bake without compromising on quality. It saves time, effort and energy in preparing a meal, plating up nutritious, homemade meals for you and your family.